Blanquero. This is a final quarter. Chukoy tumira. Wala. Rebound by Cristo. Pass to Dudoy Ligaspe. Ligaspe nagplano drive. Haras by Agok. Pass to Augusto. Augusto pumihit. Back to Cristo. Wala. Rebound by Blanquero. Pass break by Michael. Wow, side step. Michael. 2 points. 38-26. Chukoy selection. Gusto to Dirit. Dirit to Ligaspi. Foul committed by number 16. Dudong Agok. Dudong Agok. Warning for foul out Dudong Agok. Paler to Cristo. Tapos Cristo. So 38. Dula lang ha. Agok to Agok. Back to Agok. Last touch. Foul. Substitution reps. Dodong out in Umay. 3 free throws by Michael Agok. Score 38-28. Last 4.48 seconds. 1 point. 39-28. 4.48 seconds. 4.48 seconds. Pangalawang tira, pasok. 40-28. Oh, sulod. Wala. Rebound by Ligaspi. Foul. Umay. Rebound by Ligaspi. Ligaspi to Cristo. Cristo drive. Back to Ligaspi. Ligaspi di Biscate. Wala. Rebound sa Turinas. Oy. Wala. Rebound by Michael. Last touch, Michael. Cuarenta 28, last 4 and 18 seconds. Augusto nagdala ng bola. Pass to Michael Dirit. Michael Dirit drive. Steal by Umay. Umay dribble. Hihita kapasahan. Pass to Blanquero. Blanquero tumakbo. Blanquero drive. Blanquero pass to Chukoy. Last touch. Same ball. Oras. 3 minutes and 58 seconds. Score 40-28. Michael Agok to Chukoy Agok. Back to Michael. Pass to Blanquero. Blanquero to Chukoy. Chukoy tumira ng 3. Chukoy wala. Umay rebound. Pass to Blanquero. Blanquero drive. Blanquero to Chukoy. Chukoy wala. Blanquero. Blanquero. Pass to Umay. Umay to Blanquero. Sa Turinas. 5 seconds shot clock. 3, 2. Tumira ng 3. Shot clock violation. Last 3 minutes. Substitution reps. Out Paler. Arellano. Out Blanquero and Davis. 3 minutos and 16 segundos for the final quarter. 40-28. Diirit Michael, tumira ng 3. Wala, rebound na Arellano, foul by Umay. 3 minutes and 4 seconds. First throw by Arellano, wala. Arellano, wala. Rebound by Michael Diirit, tumira. Diirit, 2 puntos. Score 30-40. Last 3 minutes and 4 seconds. Umay to Michael Agok. Pass to Chukuy Agok. Agok to Umay. Shot clock 9 seconds. 8 tumira Chukuy. Wala. Rebound by Michael Diirit. Last 2 minutes and 42 seconds. Penalty situation. Score 40-30. 10 ang kalamangan ng Chukoy seleksyon. Remaining time 2 and 42 seconds. Michael, 1 point. 31-40. Second throw, wala. Rebound by Davis. Davis to Chukoy Agok. Agok, wala. Jumble violation. Dili mag-iisip ko na, magpaabot na sa desisyon sa referee. Referee score is a final decision. Understood? Si Gaspe dribbling the ball, looking for his companion, Dumiscarte. 3 seconds by Cristo Arellano. 40-31. Last 2 minutes and 29 seconds for the final quarter. 2 minutes and 29 seconds. Siyam ang kalamangan ng Chukoy seleksyon. Blanquero dribbling the ball. Pass to Davis. Davis harassed by Legaspi. Foul. 17 seconds shot clock. Wala pa yung penalty, wala pa. Davis to Chukoy Agok. Agok to Blanquero. Harassed by Legaspi. Pass to Michael Agok. Agok to Agok. 4 seconds shot clock. 3, 2, 1. Wala. Rebound by Saturinas. Saturinas to Blanquero. Good. Substitution reps. Out Chukoy Agok and Dudong Agok. Last 2 minutes and 3 seconds for the final quarter. Score 40-31. Joshua Augusto. Last 1 and 59 seconds. First throw, pasok. 41-31. 10 points lead. Second throw. Wala. Arellano drive pass to Cristo. Cristo, sumakay ka pa. 33-41. Last one and 53 seconds. Blanquiro. Haras. Last touch by Blanquiro. Bola sa diirit. Last 1 minute and 41 seconds. 41-33. Arellano still by Michael Agok. Simple basket by Michael Agok. 43-33. Last 1 minute and 32 seconds for the final quarter. Paler dribbling the ball. Paler foul. Penalty situation. Last 1 minute and 30 seconds for the final quarter. Wala. Score 43-33. 10 ang kalamangan. Ayan, Chukoy selection. Second throw. Pasok. Score 34-43. Saturinas. Still by Ligaspi. Ligaspi to Cristo. Cristo drive. Foul by Jeffrey Saturinas, number 11. Penalty. Jeffrey Saturinas. Warning for foul. Tanaw man ka. Guys, batahan. Hansin ko. 1 point. 35-43. Chukoy selection. Last 1 minute and 17 seconds. Nagkatawa na ang satbang. Second throw, wala. Rebound by Jeffrey. Jeffrey pass to Blanquiro. Blanquiro still by Ligaspi. Michael. 2 points. 37-43. Score 1 and 10. Penalty na. Foul committed by Paler. Wala pala ba? 30 foul. Last 1 minute. Last 1 minute. 43-37. Last 1 minute. Agok haras by Paler. Oh, Ligaspi. Wala pa penalty, wala pa. Last 55 seconds. Is wala pa. Warning for penalty. 43-37. Michael Agok to Davis. Still by Ligaspi. Foul by Ligaspi. Penalty situation. Remaining time. 41.5 seconds. Is para si penalty na. Score 43-37. Bro, tiray bro. Kami ako pang labi bro. Isat yun. Wala. Ha. Nagubang na ako ni labi bro. May lagbakasiat ka bro. Second throw. Pasok. Lista mo na yan. 44-37. 7-point lead. Arellano to Paler. Paler, pasong dahil. Bola sa Chukoy. Oras, 36. Segundos. Pass to Michael Agok. To Dudong Agok. Dudong Agok, 2 puntos. Last 30 seconds. 46-37. Arellano. Drive. Pass to Michael. Michael, wala. Rebound by Ligaspi. 20 seconds. 18, 17. Cristo. Last 15 seconds. 39-46. Foul committed by Michael Dirit. Binigyan ng dalawang free throw si Davis. Remaining time 12.9 seconds. (46-39). Still by Legaspi. Legaspi to Cristo. Last 10 seconds. Cristo drive. 2 puntos. Last 7.1 seconds. Last 4.7 seconds. Score 46-41. 5 ang kalamangan. 4.7 seconds. 46-41. Wala. .7 seconds. 47-41. 4, 3, 2, 1. Time for the final game. Final score 47-41. Winner for the third place, Chukoy Selection. Your team Baltan, SK Official, Nini Gabutiro, Kagawad Jili Tapik, Kagawad Irene Yunson, St. Juna Funeral Home, Diirit Funeral Home, Vice Mayor Irvin Impasis, Kagawad Sanil Manggubat, Kagawad Huel Midis, and Kagawad Son, Guy Jelong. Thank you and good afternoon to all of you.